Brands are paying hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars for ads like this. And creators are making serious money with these exact styles. But here's the thing. You don't need a camera, a studio, or even a team. This was generated entirely using Seedance 2, and I'll show you the prompts behind it. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the most insane cinematic ad prompts you can use inside Seedance 2. We're talking about luxury product ads, high-end commercial-style visuals, and even crazy transformation scenes that look like they were shot by a professional team. And for each one, I'll break down the exact prompt, what actually makes it work, and how you can recreate it yourself. Alright, let's start with this. This is our DS Aura perfume. Now instead of shooting a real ad, we're going to take this single product image and turn it into a full cinematic commercial using Seedance 2. And the key thing here is, we're not just describing the product, we're building an entire scene, motion, and camera behavior inside the prompt. And a final close-up on the logo. This looks great. Fast motion, aggressive effects, and strong visual payoff. That's what gives it that commercial feel. Now let me show you another version of this. Now for this one, we're switching the style completely. This is a digital assets energy drink. And instead of a luxury aesthetic, we're going for something way more aggressive and high energy. And this is where things get interesting, because instead of soft particles or slow motion, we're using electricity, data, and fast camera movement to make it feel powerful. Now wait till you see how this actually looks. This looks great. Fast motion, aggressive effects, and strong visual payoff. That's what gives it that commercial feel. Now let me show you another version of this, where instead of starting from nothing, we actually control the first frame. Here, we're using a start frame, like this blank billboard. And then we guide the AI to transform this scene into a full product reveal. So it starts calm, wide shot, minimal movement. Then the billboard flickers, energy builds, and suddenly, the surface cracks open, and the product is revealed with a full cinematic impact. This technique is extremely powerful, because now you're not just generating random scenes, you're actually directing a transformation from a controlled starting point. And if you want to master Seedance 2 without wasting the credits, I've put together a complete Seedance 2 prompt guide where I break down cinematic prompt frameworks, reference tagging system, multimodal engineering, and a lot of cool stuff. It also has a prompt vault where I add new prompts and frameworks. If you want to experiment with Seedance yourself, and it's updated regularly with new use cases and workflows, the guide link is in the description. Now let's go into something more clean and minimal. This is a premium black titanium smartwatch, and here we're going for a simple luxury studio ad. This one is very straightforward. Dark background, controlled lighting, slow, precise camera movement. Super clean, super premium. This works because it's simple. No chaos, just lighting, angles, and detail. Now let's take this and push it much further. Same product, but now we're turning this into a full high-end cinematic commercial. Here we're adding sequence, timing, and transitions.
Time. reimagined.
Now this feels like something straight out of a tech commercial, but we can still go even further. I am going to use my custom watch image and then use this prompt. Same idea, but now with a fully cinematic, action-heavy environment. Now let's move into something more tech-focused. This is a full, cinematic, iPhone-style assembly ad. This one is all about precision and assembly. Molten metal forming the frame, internal components activating, and everything locking into place like a real production line. This looks like an official product launch. The key here is step-by-step construction. That's what makes it feel real. Now this one is insane. We're building a Lamborghini-style cinematic sequence, like a full blockbuster reveal. High-speed assembly, chaotic motion, parts flying in from every direction, and a final explosive reveal. This is straight up movie level. Now for this one, we're going into a more creative, fashion style ad. This one is built around motion and material. Threads forming the shoe, air units expanding, and everything assembling in a very dynamic way. Alright, now for this one, we're going into a more performance-focused product ad. Something that feels fast, dynamic, and built for motion. This one is built around movement and impact, high-speed motion, environmental interaction, and strong camera transitions to keep everything feeling alive. Now, if you want, I've put together a full Seedance 2 prompt guide with a lot more examples like this, ready-to-use templates, and structured workflows, and it's updated regularly. Now, if you want me to show you even more advanced ad concepts, comment part 2. In the meantime, you can check out these viral Seedance 2 prompts next.